Hello and welcome to the MathematicsKicker. We are still on the linear inequalities, right? There are things that we need to know when dealing with the linear inequalities. Let's say we normally know that negative 2 is less than 5. Negative is less than 5. We know that, right? Then what if we divide both sides by a negative? Let's say we divide both sides by negative 1, negative 1. Then negative 2 divided by negative 1 is how much? Is 2. Then 5 divided by negative 1 is negative 5. Is it 2 less than minus 5? Is it 2 less than negative 5? No, it's not true. It means that when we divide by negative, the sign does change. The sign changes. If the sign was less than, it will become greater than. If it was less than equal to, it will become greater than equal to. If the sign was greater than, it will become less than. If it was greater than equal to, it will become less than equal to. Right? You must know this condition. Every time when we divide by negative, the sign does change. Right? Let's say, for example, we are given something of this nature. 4 is, okay, let's say negative 4 is less than 2. 2 is less than 8. So, let's say negative 4 is less than 2x. 2x is less than 8. I said this question means what? They're saying solve for x. Means that for which values of x is minus 4 less than 2x, 2x is less than 8, right? For which values of x, right? How do we do something of this nature? Let me copy the way it is. Let me write it down. We'll divide each term by 2. When we divide each term by 2, we'll have how much? We'll have negative 2 is less than or equal to 2 divided by 2. To have x is less than 8 divided by 2 is going to be 4. Then let's draw our number line. How do we draw our number line? Here's our number line. We'll have minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 5. We have 5. It's not drawn to scale, right? That's 5. That's like with 5. This is our 0. Where is our minus 2? It's our minus 2. I said we use the exclusive. It's not included. We don't shade. Then this side, we use what? We have our 4 on this side. Then we are saying that negative 2 is less than what? It's less than x. It means that x is greater than what? It's greater than minus 2, right? It means that x will find it this side. Then x again is less than 4. It means that 4 is greater than what? It's greater than x. The x is less than 4. We'll find it this side. We'll find it this side. That's when we conclude. That's how we do it, all right? Well, we can write it like this. You can write it if it combines. You will say you use and. If it's like this, it goes like this, like this. You will say or. In this case, you will say minus. Okay, let me write x. Let me use x. X here. If you see x here, it's greater than minus 2. It's going to be x greater than minus 2 and what? And what? And x is going to be less than 4, right? X greater than minus 2 because minus 2 is less than x. It means x greater than minus 2. You can write it this way and this way. It's fine. Right. I will see you on the next video. Peace.